Haha! What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be talking about an amazing free traffic source that you can use to promote all your ClickBank products, all your JVZoo, Warrior Plus products, and no affiliate marketers are talking about it. So stay tuned with this video if you want to see this amazing free traffic source.
Hey, what's up, guys? This is Zeb here. Today we're going to be talking about an awesome free traffic source for affiliate marketing. All right, but before we get started, let me introduce myself. My name is Zeb Summers. I'm an online entrepreneur. I talk about make money online, affiliate digital internet marketing, and I'm here to help you through your journey to a laptop lifestyle so you can get some freedom in your life. Now, if you are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. Hit the little notification bell to get notified for these videos. And if you have any comments, let me know what you like, what you don't like, would like to see in the future. And if you have any questions about today's content, post them down below and I will reply. All right, guys. So let's get on with today's video about this awesome free traffic source. But you're going to have to stick to the very end to find out more. All right. So let's start with ClickBank. We're going to use ClickBank for our affiliate network because it's the most popular and it's got a slew of things that we can use to promote. All right, so we're going to go into the marketplace. If you don't have a ClickBank account, just go to ClickBank, set up an account. There's like 3 simple steps. You just set up your information, your banking information, because you want to get paid, and start your free account. As soon as you get your free account, you'll come into the dashboard. Just go over here to marketplace and it'll bring here to all these categories of products. Now these are all products. Each one has a slew of subcategories. And today we're going to be talking about cooking. All right, we're just going to go, this is strictly straight up examples. I wouldn't promote cooking items, but I'm going to show you that you can. All right, so the niches I usually promote are health and wealth. All right, but we're going to do cooking. I'm just going to show you that you can do cooking. All right, so here's cooking. I just click cooking. All right, so we're just going to sort this by gravity. Actually, this has pretty good gravity. Maybe cooking is a good one to use. All right, so we can pick any of these products. All right, because the free traffic source I'm talking about doesn't matter what the product is. It's just a product that we have that we can promote. All right, so just pick one of these guys. You know, 4 offers: fat burning kitchen, anti-aging, paleo hacks. Man, this might be a good one because this is a very, you know, trendy thing right now is the whole paleo thing. So that might be a good one to promote. I don't really care for the sales page too much, but what the hell? Let's check out that first one too. Let's see what the sales page looks like on it. Yeah, this sales page looks a little better. It's got video. I like it when they have videos. So we'll just pick one of these. It doesn't really matter which one we pick. We want to pick one. We want to promote it and start using it. All right. So as always, we want to create a funnel. All right. So what we're doing here, we're going to have to create an opt-in page and a bridge page that feeds to an autoresponder. Now, if you don't have all these tools, click the link in the description for Builderall. Builderall has all those tools built in, very cheap, and it works very well. I'm very surprised how well Builderall works and how simple it is. It's a little more complicated than, say, ClickFunnels, but if you're new to affiliate marketing, don't have a big budget, Builderall is a tool to use. All right, so just come over here. You can sign up for Builderall for free for 7 days. Just click the link in the description. You'll see it. I think it's the second link in my description. Now, if you're more interested in a passive income, more like what I use, the link in the description, my #1 recommended make money online method. Click that link and I'll send you more information about that. All right, but let's get on with this video. We're going to promote a cooking program. All right, so the things we need to do is create an opt-in page, create a bridge page, and then point that to this sales page or whichever one we select. All right. It could be any of these sales page. It could be this secret recipes. And this might be a good one too because uh, this has been seen on TV, obviously. So maybe this would be a good one to promote. All right. So we want to do our opt-in page, do our bridge page, and what's on your bridge page is going to be a video of you talking about what's on that sales page. So if I was going to do promote this, right, I would do a video explaining what is on this page so the audience knows what to expect when they come over here and click on this page, all right? So we want to make sure we know what's on this page so we can talk about it. Now, we don't want to give too much information. We're just going to give basic information so they have an idea of what they're actually going to look at. All right. So once they come here, all right, so they opt in, they give you your email, all right, then they go to the bridge page, they see you talking about it, so they get more, you build more rapport with them, they start trusting, oh, this is a real person, he seems pretty cool, let's go to the next page to see what it's about. I'm not sure if I want to buy, or they may just go ahead and buy and then it'll be an upsell. All right, so these products, so whenever you see an arrow here, right, this means they have an upsell. So that means they buy the first product and then they're going to get an upsell to another product, which is pretty awesome. All right, so and then it could buy again. Most people aren't going to do this off the first jump. They're going to come down here. So as soon as they opt in, you're going to send them a welcome email telling them, hey, my name's Zeb, blah, blah, blah. And then you're not going to promote that email. You're just going to tell them, hey, you're on my email list. You're going to start getting emails from me. And then the second email, you're going to send them back to that sales page for a couple days. All right. And then you may just put them into your newsletter or whatever after that. All right. So this can all be done with Builderall now. Now, the free traffic source, what you guys have been waiting for, it's going to blow your mind. All right. So we can do this one of two ways, but we're going to use cooking forums. All right. And discuss cooking maybe. Discuss cooking. All right. So this is a forum. All right. So we could come in here, get an account, and now I know that people are thinking, how the fuck are you going to get leads here? Well, when you create an account in here, right, you're going to become a user. You put your picture in here, you got a name, and you get a signature panel. So within your signature, so for instance, she's got dance like no one's watching, blah, 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 but cook like everyone's eating. And she's got a WordPress, right? So you can put your link to your opt-in page with a little slogan about this right there in your signature page. Now what I want you all to do is join as many forums as you can and just start being active, because once you become an authority in these groups, people start recognizing you and your name's going to be everywhere, and you're going to have this signature with this link in it, and people will click on it. All right. So this is not talked about nowhere. I haven't seen many people talk about this, and I talked about it a little bit on one of my other videos, and I was like, you know what, that's pretty powerful shit. I'm going to do a video on this free traffic source. So it's a traffic source that is basically kind of like Facebook groups, but it's not Facebook groups. And you can do Facebook groups the same exact way, all right? But this is a little more powerful because you don't really have to do anything. You can just reply on these posts, right? And when you reply, you have this signature with the link in it, all right? So as you've seen, that one was set up. I don't know if any others are, but I do know this is very powerful. There's another one. It's probably the same person. But guys, if you get what I'm talking about here, this is pretty cool shit, all right? Because people start respecting you as an authority in these sites, right? And there's lots of cooking forums, dude. I mean, let's go back to Google real quick and just search cooking forums real quick, and you're going to see how many of them there are, right? There's Cowhound, discuss cooking, chef talk. There's all these different forums, right? And now you can do it. You can maybe get into gardening, right? So if you come over here to the marketplace in ClickBank, there's so much stuff here. You can talk about gardening, I mean, health and fitness, whatever it is, jobs, e-marketing, sports. Say you're on a forum for baseball, your kids' baseball, or something like that. I mean, there's tons of things here. Look, there's pitching velocity. That's $142 per sale. That could be in your signature. So you can start thinking about all the forums you can start joining and getting your putting an opt-in page there. So you grab their email address. They may buy on the first time, they may not, but that's free traffic. That's not, your typical blog, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, etc., etc. All right. I just wanted to share that with you guys because I thought it was pretty cool. So go out there, build yourself a basic sales funnel. All you got to do is these 2 pages and put it in a couple emails and an autoresponder, right? Now, if you don't have an autoresponder, that's why I said go over here to Build Raw. You get a free 7-day account. All right, 7 freaking days. Put this together and see what you can do. All right. But if you're trying to get into affiliate marketing, learning this stuff, all right, learning how to build a funnel is like the easy part in my eyes, right? This was the easy part. The hard part's putting the copy in here. When I'm talking about copy, I'm talking about the words, right? That's the hard part. And getting comfortable on video because you have to put a video on this sales page, this bridge page here, or people aren't going to buy. I tried it. I tried it without it. I tried it with just a picture of myself and some text. Video converts like twice as well, maybe 3 times as good. All right. And you have to have the email sequence because the gold is down here in the follow up, right? So the fortune's in the follow up, and you want a product that has an upsell. All right. So that's it. That's all you got to do. You got to put this together and start running free traffic. You can do free traffic through your Facebook groups, through the forums, posting on blogs. Now, another cool thing is, right? You can get you can use banners too on these forums. So some of these forums will actually have advertising built into them. All right. So a lot of these forums at the bottom will have advertising. I don't think this one does, but that's another thing to look at. A lot of them will have advertising at the bottom. You'll see a bunch of articles, and really you'll look at it and see that it's sponsored ads. So you can get a idea of what those people are actually doing and model that. All right. So this is just one free place to look for traffic, and I just wanted to share it with you guys. Hopefully you got something out of this today, and it was of some value, and somebody will take this and run with it. All right. Again, guys, peace out. And if you're looking for a passive income, something that you can make $100 to $200 a day on autopilot, then click the link in the description, my #1 recommended make money online method, and I will send you some information about that. All right, guys, again, peace out. Hit that subscribe button. Give me a notification. Hit that notification bell. Give me some comments. Let me know what you like, what you don't like, would like to see in the future. And if you have any questions, post them down below and I will reply. All right, guys, again, peace out, and I'll see you on tomorrow's video.